Today's talk is on competition and how competition can benefit your business. Insights from today's talk are from entrepreneur.com. And the interesting thing about today's topic is that competition applies both to your personal business and to your personal brand. Okay? Successful entrepreneurs thrive under pressure. They understand that competition is a fact of life, so why not use it to our own advantage instead of letting it slow us down and letting it dishearten us and letting it sort of paralyze us. Okay, so number one is avoiding complacency. Sole suppliers in an industry quickly stop innovating, and this is when the problem comes in. The second that a personal brand or a business stop innovating, this is when they start to slow down and they start investing less in R&D, and then their business and their personal brand ends up suffering quite a bit. Number two is building brand clout. Make it your mission to stand out as a leading authority in your field. Whether you're a personal brand or a tangible business, you need to be the leading authority in your field. Establishing yourself as a thought leader will get more customers going your way. Okay. Number three is developing self-awareness. Whether you're a brand or a business or both, we all have our strengths and weaknesses. So understanding where your weaknesses lie and working on them and being strategic about them and coming up with a solid plan, a concrete plan on how you're going to tackle them is one thing. But then honing on your strengths and focusing more on your strengths and highlighting your strengths is the way to go. Okay. Rivals force you to assess your strengths and weaknesses. Use your superpowers to create a unique value proposition to the customer. After all, the whole idea of competition is to provide a better product or service to the customer. And this is ultimately the goal of today's talk. Okay. Number four, and the last point, is narrowing down a niche. Instead of appealing to everybody in the market and trying to gain more market share, make it your goal to cater to a very specific segment of the market and to make them really happy. Once you do that, again, you're going to get more customers going your way, and then bit by bit, you're going to be able to add and capitalize on that.